Oh, hello guys, my name is Jack, and today I'm gonna show you how to select specific colors out of a photo in Adobe Photoshop. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. I've got my photo right here, so we'll just drag it in. Oh yeah, click it in, rasterize it if you need to, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the color range. Okay, so you can right click it and check color range here, or it's also down here under select and then color range. So let's say I'm gonna filter and select only the color purple here, eh? Okay, well as soon as you open this panel, if you move your cursor elsewhere, it'll have the color choosing thingy, or I don't know what it's called exactly, but you just go here and pick whatever color you want. And here, the fuzziness is kind of just like the tolerance, eh? So you drag it further up to select more of the color you want, or more that it allows, eh? And further down if you want to be more restrictive and how specific you want that color to be. Okay, so for me, I'm going to put it around the middle. It's going to get most of the purple and pink stuff on the side, and then down here it'll show you a preview of what it's going to be selecting, eh? Well, I don't know about that, eh? Okay, anyway, you just click OK, and as you can see, it has selected most of the purple and pink parts, eh? Now that's pretty cool, eh? Okay, now if you want to do some cool stuff, maybe you can play around with cutting and pasting, or copying and pasting even. I'm just going to do a layer via cut, and as you can see, it's made a new layer with only the purple and pink stuff. Or I guess my tolerance wasn't particularly high, so it kind of only dragged up just the stuff that was closest to the color I chose, eh? Now let's try again, but this time maybe with a different range, eh? Alright, now let's try a bit more, and then allow a bit more, eh? That's pretty cool, and maybe a different color too, maybe a deeper one. Oh yeah, that's a deeper purple, eh? Or maybe that chose too much. Okay, so check OK. Oh, and then I'm gonna layer via cut this again by cutting it out. If you do copy, it'll leave the original image as is, eh? Oh, that's pretty cool, eh? Okay. Now as you can see, that is how you use the color range to pick out and filter out specific colors from your images. Or it can be a pretty handy tool way in creating pretty swag looking stuff. Okay, well that's all I have for you today, and I will see you in the next one, eh? Have a good day.